Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today, I want to share a truth that might sting at first, but once you accept it, it will make you stronger than ever before. The truth is, no one cares until you win. You can work for years, you can struggle in silence. You can cry at night and give your best every single day, and still, nobody will notice. Nobody will ask how hard you're trying. Nobody will cheer for you while you're losing. The world stays silent when you're invisible, but the moment you win, suddenly everyone starts clapping. Suddenly everyone remembers your name. That's the harsh reality of life. People respect results, not efforts. They only see your success, not your struggle. They only celebrate your victory, not your pain. And instead of being bitter about that, you need to learn how to use it. Because when you understand that no one cares until you win, you stop living for other people's validation. You start living for yourself. You stop waiting for support, and you start building strength. Think about it, is when you start something new, people doubt you. When you fail, they laugh. When you struggle, they disappear. But when you finally make it, they say, "I always believed in you." You'll hear that line many times in life. But the truth is, they didn't. You believed in you. You kept going when nobody clapped. You worked when no one noticed. You sacrificed when no one understood. That's what winning truly means. Not just success, but surviving the silence. Every champion you know today was once ignored. Every successful person was once underestimated. People doubted them, laughed at them, and called them crazy. But they didn't quit. They didn't beg for attention. They didn't post every move to prove something. They stayed focused. They stayed silent. And when the time came, they let their success make the noise. You have to understand this. People don't see your effort. They see your outcome. So stop expecting applause before you've earned it. Stop waiting for people to believe in you. Most won't. Not because they hate you, but because they don't see what you see. You have a vision they can't understand yet, and that's okay. You're not here to convince them. You're here to build something so powerful that one day they'll have no choice but to respect it. The road to winning is lonely. You'll have days when you'll question yourself, when you'll wonder, is it worth it? You'll feel invisible, forgotten, maybe even worthless. But remember, this is the price of greatness. Every person who ever achieved something meaningful went through the same darkness. The only difference is, they didn't stop walking. No one will clap for you in the beginning. No one will share your content. No one will promote your work. No one will talk about your dreams. But one day, when you're successful, everyone will suddenly care. The same people who ignored you will call you an inspiration. The same ones who didn't text back will ask for your advice. That's the world we live in. And that's why you must learn to move forward without applause. You have to learn how to be your own supporter. Clap for yourself when no one else does. Motivate yourself when no one encourages you. Work when no one is watching, because when you do that consistently, you build something the world can't ignore. Success doesn't happen when everyone supports you. It happens when you keep going without support. Maybe right now you're working hard, learning, improving, but no one notices. You're building your skills, developing your discipline, fighting your bad habits, but nobody sees the change. Don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. The best transformations happen in silence. You don't need to show everyone what you're doing. Just keep going, keep becoming better. Because when the time comes, your growth will speak for itself. Let me tell you a small story. There was once a boy who wanted to become a musician. He worked every night, practiced for hours, but no one believed in him. People laughed at him, saying, "You'll never make it." Even his family told him to give up and find a real job. But he didn't stop. He kept playing in empty bars, small events, and even on the street. Years passed. Then one day one of his songs went viral. Suddenly everyone was proud of him. Everyone who ignored him wanted to be part of his journey. But he knew the truth. No one cared when he was losing. They only cared when he won. That's how life works. People don't see your grind. They only see your glory. So don't get distracted by who supports you or who doesn't. Don't waste time explaining your dreams to people who don't get it. Just work, keep improving, keep showing up. Because one day, your success will speak so loud that even the people who doubted you will have to listen. Here's something powerful. Your results will silence your critics. Every time someone doubts you, every time someone underestimates you, instead of arguing, say nothing. Just work, just grind. Because nothing shuts down negativity faster than success. You don't need revenge. You just need results. And here's the thing, when you finally win, people will say, "You got lucky." They'll try to explain your success as if it just happened. But you'll know the truth. You'll know the nights you didn't sleep, the mornings you woke up early, the sacrifices you made. You'll know the pain behind every achievement. That's why winning feels so good. Because only you know what it cost. So don't waste your energy trying to make people care. Use that energy to improve yourself. Build your body, sharpen your mind, learn new skills, and keep your focus locked on your goals. The world might ignore you now, but it can't ignore your greatness forever. You just have to keep going long enough to prove yourself right. Nobody cares when you're trying, but everybody cares when you're shining. So shine so bright that they can't look away. Be so good that they can't deny you. Work so hard that even your haters have to respect you. That's the mindset of a winner. And remember, you're not doing this to prove others wrong. You're doing it to prove yourself right. You're doing it because you know you deserve more from life. You're doing it because you have potential that's too powerful to waste on doubt and fear. Right now, silence is your best friend. Use this time when nobody's watching to build yourself quietly. Learn, grow, fail, try again. Be patient, because when your moment comes, and it will come, you'll be ready. You won't need validation. You won't need applause. You'll just smile and say, "I told you." So if no one believes in you right now, good. Let that fuel you. Let their doubt be your motivation. Because one day when you win, they'll remember your name. No one cares until you win, but once you win, the same world that ignored you will want your attention. And when that happens, stay humble. Stay focused. Because you'll know the truth. You didn't do it for them. You did it for you. So keep moving forward no matter how quiet it feels. The silence before your victory is the sound of your transformation. And when that day comes, when you finally win, don't forget to smile. Not because they finally care, but because you always did. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks, and remember, no one cares until you win. So start building, start grinding, and start believing, because your time is coming. Stay strong, stay focused, and never stop chasing greatness.